Hey, good day everyone. I've got this smart light here. It's a vanity mirror, and we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, get it all set up. This is what the back of it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up for a plug application. So here's the wires here. So that's just the open end of the wires. So I'll go ahead and wire them up. One of the nice things back here, you'll see it's got this anti-fogging film on it too. So after we get it all charged up, it'll keep the mirror from fogging. Take this set of wires here and this set and connect the two. So it comes with some wire nuts too. Pull these apart. Just take them, they're both the same, so it doesn't matter which one goes to which. Now in the back here, this is the part that's going to hang off the wall. And this is our brackets that get mounted to the wall. So basically they go like that. And I'm going to put those on the wall. This is the wall on this side. They go up under there. All right, really happy with this mirror. Check out what this thing can do. Short touch, all the way off. Short touch, all the way on. Now here's what it does when you do a long touch. Here's a long touch. All the way up. Makes it super bright. Long touch, dim it down. There we go. All the way on. Hold it on there. All right, you guys. Really happy with this thing. Think this thing's really cool. Thanks for watching, everybody.